Hello guys, in this video just going to explain how to edit your thumbnail of your YouTube shorts. For example, if you have already uploaded, okay, and you didn't set the YouTube thumbnail properly, but you want to edit in your iPhone, that you can easily do it because they have enabled that features. So it's very simple. What you need to do is you need to go to YouTube shorts, okay, on your channel, go to YouTube shorts, and you need to press and hold the video, okay. You need to press and hold, then you will get the options. You can edit in YouTube Studio app, but also you can edit directly in YouTube app. So I'm going to tap on this edit, and here you can see this edit options. Tap it. So that's it, friends. Now you can edit. So what and all you want, you can just choose it. You can just choose and save it. So that's it, friends. Now again I'm going to save it. See, it is changed. So that's it, friends. You need to simply press and hold, okay, on YouTube app in your shorts dashboard, and then tap edit. That's it. Hope definitely this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.